Wow, this is it. The perfect place. All right, here it is. Massive. Need to examine this whole length before I start. I think I found an entry. It's too dark to see, but it feels hollow. All right, this is where we'll go in. I'm ready to begin. Yes, this is it. There's enough space in there. I found it. Now I can build. All right, this is it. It's perfect. This is home. Yes, this is exactly where it opens up. Let's start with the overhang. All right, clearing out this corridor is key. Make some room for that entrance. Need to keep the workspace tidy or it'll just swallow me whole. That's better. Now to check the seam. God, this thing is stubborn. Oh, heavy work, but worth it. Oh, just a bit more clearing right here. All right, that's the last snag from this section. Now we've got space to work. All right, perimeter set, zone established. Now the real work begins. Okay, here's where the water wants to go. This root pushes it right into this low spot. Almost through this layer. Oh. Oh. Need a bit more angle. Almost there. Need to get this deep enough for my shoulders. Still rotten.
Getting closer to solid wood.
Almost there. Just a little further back. Coming out now. Okay, that's better. Okay. It's stable. Deep enough. Just need to reinforce it here. Almost level. Just need this section here. Just a minute. All right, first floor support is in. Let's see how this fits. Not perfectly level, but it's a start. Keep it clear, this mud's relentless. Oh. Just need to push it back a few more feet. All right, the main structure is finally ready. Whoa. Now it feels like a real shelter.
All right, fit here. Just enough compression.
All right, fit snug. This will definitely hold the doorway.
All right, holding it here.
Needs to fit the curve.
Just right, that'll keep the rain out.
All right, time to secure this back section. Just need to get this angle right. There, that's solid. The platform is complete. Solid, perfectly aligned, exactly as I envisioned. The core of the shelter is finally ready. All right, that should seal it up for now. Let's see if it holds. All right, just a little bit more right here. That should do it. Still some moisture here, maybe a tighter weave at the top.
Ooh.
Need to limit the mist. The storm won't find its way in anymore. Finally, it feels like home.
Cô thành điêu con bè đi được này kìa. Mana natin yan?
Keep it moving. Needs to flow. Just a little more. Come on. All right, feels good. I'll pump strong. All right, checking the platform, still dry. Good work, keeps the moisture out down here. All right, time to clear this up. Ooh. That's much better. After all this work, it's finally quiet. This is the best rest I've ever had.